Do you sometimes feel nervous when you talk about yesterday in English?
Maybe someone asks you, "What did you do yesterday?"
And suddenly your brain becomes completely blank.
Yes, many English learners know words, but they become nervous using past tense.
Maybe you start thinking, do I say go or went?
Or watch or watched.
And then you stop speaking completely.
But today, we will practice together slowly.
Step by step.
No pressure.
No stress.
Only calm English practice.
By the end of this episode, you will feel more comfortable talking about yesterday in English.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Learn English with Us. Today, we are talking about something very useful for daily English conversation.
How to talk about yesterday in English.
This topic is very important because people talk about the past every day.
At work,
At school,
with friends,
even during small talk.
people often ask, "How was your day? What did you do yesterday? Where did you go? What did you eat?"
So today, we will practice these conversations naturally.
And don't worry,
We will speak slowly and clearly.
so you can relax, listen, and practice comfortably.
Adam, what is the easiest way to talk about yesterday in English?
We usually use past tense verbs.
Can you give some simple examples?
Of course, I watched a movie.
I cooked dinner.
I visited my friend.
I stayed home.
I studied English.
Very simple.
Yes, simple English is enough.
Many learners think they need difficult grammar.
But actually, short, simple sentences sound natural too.
Exactly.
Sara, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I cleaned my room, listened to music, and drank tea.
That sounds peaceful.
It really was.
Yesterday, I went for a walk after dinner.
Oh, nice.
The weather was cool and relaxing.
Did you listen to music too?
Of course,
You always listen to music during walks.
that is true.
Now, let's imagine a real-life situation.
You meet a friend today.
And they ask, what did you do yesterday?
Many learners panic at this moment.
Because they start translating every word in their head.
But remember,
Simple answers are completely okay.
what did you do yesterday?
I stayed home and watched a movie.
Oh, really? What movie did you watch?
A comedy movie.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was very funny.
See?
The conversation is short and natural.
You do not need perfect grammar.
You only need confidence and practice.
Now, let's practice more daily examples.
These are useful real-life sentences.
Yesterday, I cooked breakfast.
Yesterday, I went shopping.
I talked to my friend on the phone.
I studied English before sleeping.
I visited my grandmother.
I cleaned my desk.
I watched YouTube videos.
I listened to music. Now let's try something fun.
Uh-oh, I feel nervous already.
Adam, what was the funniest thing that happened yesterday? Be honest.
Okay. Yesterday, I tried cooking rice.
That sounds normal.
Wait, listen first.
Okay.
I forgot the rice on the stove.
Oh no.
Then suddenly I smelled something strange.
What happened?
The rice became very, very crispy.
Crispy?
Yes, very crispy.
That was not rice anymore.
Exactly.
What did you do?
I quietly ordered food online.
Honestly, that was a smart decision.
Thank you for supporting my cooking failure.
Always. Now, let's practice together slowly.
Repeat after us.
I watched a movie yesterday.
I watched a movie yesterday.
I stayed home yesterday.
I stayed home yesterday.
I cooked dinner last night.
I cooked dinner last night.
I talked to my friend.
I talked to my friend. I studied English yesterday.
I studied English yesterday. Now let's do shadowing practice.
First, listen carefully.
Then repeat with us slowly. Yesterday, I stayed home.
I watched a movie yesterday.
I stayed home yesterday.
I stayed home yesterday.
I cooked dinner last night.
I cooked dinner last night.
I talked to my friend.
I talked to my friend. I studied English yesterday.
Now let's do shadowing practice.
First, listen carefully.
Then repeat with us slowly. Yesterday, I stayed home.
I watched a movie yesterday.
It was relaxing. Yesterday, I stayed home and watched a movie.
It was relaxing after a busy day.
What did you do yesterday?
I went for a walk and listened to music.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it helped me relax.
Maybe you still feel nervous using past tense.
And that is completely normal.
Many English learners fear grammar mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning.
You do not need perfect grammar to communicate.
Simple English still works.
Confidence grows slowly,
Step by step.
sentence by sentence.
Conversation by conversation.
So relax
Take your time.
and keep speaking English every day. Now let's listen to one final conversation.
Hey, Sara, how was your day yesterday?
It was nice and relaxing.
What did you do?
I cleaned my room, cooked dinner, and watched a movie.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes. What about you?
I met a friend at a cafe.
Oh, nice.
Then I went for a walk in the evening.
Did you enjoy your day?
Yes, it was simple but relaxing.
And that is the end of today's episode.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
We hope you feel more confident talking about yesterday in English.
Remember,
You do not need perfect English.
speak slowly
Practice daily.
and be patient with yourself.
Small progress matters.
One small sentence today,
Can become a confident conversation tomorrow.
step by step.
Take care, everyone.
Keep practicing.
And we will see you again very soon.
Bye.
Bye.